Hi everyone. We know that we are living in a society comprising of a lot of diseases day by day. So, as a sustainable solution for that, we are presenting you our new electronic product known as Smart Health Suit. The main objective of this project is that we can measure the body temperature, heart rate, glucose rate of a patient, and it gives an idea about his current health condition. The main advantage of this particular project is that we can have information about the current health condition before going to the hospital for diagnosis. And the Android application having all these inputs of heart rate, glucose rate, etc. give enough precautions for the patient and the power for the entire system is provided by a green energy, that is solar energy. We hope that this project will be a bliss to the entire humanity. The entire power for our project is provided by a solar panel which has 12 volt and 5 volt capacity, and it is charging by a battery charging circuit, and we recharge a 6 volt rechargeable battery, and the overcharge condition is prevented by this battery charging circuit. Next we have a temperature sensor, and the BeagleBond Black is the main core of this particular circuit. We have a temperature sensor that is LM35, and this BeagleBond Black process all the inputs of heart rate, glucose rate, and BP of our body, and which will be displayed by using a LCD display. We are using a 6 volt rechargeable battery, and for the recharging we need about 7.25 watt across it, and from the solar panel we get about 7.26 volt, and we are using this charging circuit, and here overcharge condition is also prevented in using this circuit. Here we have the electronic circuit to sense the body temperature, and here we have the temperature sensor that is LM35, and that input is given to an ADC of the BeagleBoard. The BeagleBoard is programmed as a digital thermometer, and the output is displayed in a LCD display. There is a switch that is used to shut down the BeagleBond program. Let's check the body temperature. Due to the unavailability of other sensors like heart sensor, glucose sensor, as a prototype we implemented only digital thermometer. We can add above sensors to improve the product specification. And if we provide a net connection to the BeagleBond, we can directly email the results to the concerned doctor. That much result can improve to this project. Thank you.